Welcome! If you want to block your SIM card with SIM pin into your Honor 8, first step, go into Settings, then scroll down and find Advanced Settings, this one. Then choose Security option. And first option in the list, we got a Set SIM Lock. Press it and press here to turn on this option. Then need to enter your SIM pin, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, and click OK. And now we lock our SIM card with SIM pin. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.